Earlier we have studied about 8 planets. Now we will have a detailed study about other celestial bodies. Moon. It is the natural satellite of Earth. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us. The moon does not have any conditions favorable for life. It has neither water nor air, but has mountains and plains on its surface. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 21st July 1969. Asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. These are parts of a planet which exploded many years back. Meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Satellites. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as the planets move around the sun. There are two types of satellites: natural satellite and artificial satellites. Natural satellites are those which pre-exist in universe. For example, Moon, Titan, and Rhea. Artificial satellites or human-made satellites are an artificial body. It is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. First satellite was successfully launched by Soviet Union named Sputnik 1. Some of the Indian satellites are INSAT, GSAT and Chandrayaan. Sometimes we see a white glowing path across the sky. It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is part of this galaxy. In ancient time, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. That's why it was named Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. It is very difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. So, to sum it up, we are a part of Earth. The Earth is a part of the solar system. Solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy, and Milky Way galaxy is a part of the universe. With this, we complete our first chapter, The Earth in the Solar System.